Hey there, this is Ryan on episode 5 of No Code, No Problem. I'd like to give a quick shout out to Sibi for being our 200th Twitter follower. And we're almost at 300 now, so it's really cool watching our community grow. And I really appreciate how interactive you've been with me and the feedback that you've given me. There's so much feedback, so much interaction. I can't thank you enough. So, getting into it, we have a lot of exciting stuff in the works, including a recently finished website using Card. You can find it at nocodepodcast.co. Subscribe to our email list on there. We'll have discounts to no-code platforms, and we'll have discounted tickets to events, and you'll be able to get early access to different things. So do that. And if you want to listen on a different platform, or if there's a platform that you prefer, I have all the platform links on the website, so you can choose whatever your go-to is. So, and then we also have a no-code event with an amazing panel in the works, and I will have a dedicated date and link to purchase tickets, which are going to be super cheap, by the way, really soon. And we'll be co-hosting the event with a company called Entra. They're a network for entrepreneurs. So if you're an entrepreneur, check them out. I'll put the link in the description. But it's going to be in New York City at Microsoft's office. It's a really cool space. I've been there once for an event that Entra actually threw. So I'm really excited to co-host an event there and host an event there specific to no-code builders and or people that are changing the industry. And then lastly, what I mentioned last episode, and I'm super thrilled about, is building a company with the community. But before I really get into that, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Adelo and the CEO, Jeremy. Adelo is a super dynamic no-code app builder, and they're changing the way people build and publish apps on the App Store. So they're making it accessible to anyone, and I think that's amazing. It's super affordable, and the option for all no-code builders, right? And I think it's great for those who enjoy having complete control over the visual aspects of their app. That's like, to me, that's how I see Adelo. Compared to competitors, they're just really focused on you being able to build this complete user experience. And I really love that. So, okay, now I'm going to be diving into the community build. So I'm not going to reveal right away what I'm working on, but I will give you one or two word hints right now. So it has to deal with transportation and the supply chain. And I am meeting with somebody who owns a company in this industry on the 12th at 3 o'clock sharp. So once I go to that, I will kind of more or less fully reveal what I'm working on, and I'll be dropping clues up until then. But I'm going there to talk to him, and I want to see I want to get more validation for the concept and the idea. And the product will be built with no code. And I really want to do kind of as much community interaction with building the app as I can. So definitely on Twitter and through the podcast talking about it and getting feedback from you guys. And I might start a Slack or something too, just specific for this no code build. And yeah. So, but like I said, I'm not telling you yet, but once I go to that and kind of get more validation and see if he might be interested in being like a pre-customer and implementing it into his systems, which would save him a lot of time and money, then I will kind of let you guys know what's up. So, the product highlight for today is another mobile app builder. It's called, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm going to try my best. It's either, I think it's Codica or Codica maybe. Codica.io. And while I've not had the pleasure of getting to use the product, I think it's still super cool. So it's a drag and drop app builder that allows you to build apps on your iPad. So I don't have an iPad, so like I said, I couldn't test it out, but I love the concept, and I think this could be super beneficial with teaching kids how to build apps and the logic behind the apps and, the fundamentals, right? So I'm super excited about that, and I wish my little sister had an iPad. Maybe I'll get her one. But I really want to play with it. So, but if you have an iPad, I would love for you to try it out and let me know what you think. Because I'm really curious and I want to play with it, but I just can't. So, that's all for today's episode. Thanks again for listening, and I'll see you next time on No Code, No Problem.